who will refuse. When America is a global economic and military power, and America is under the backup of the Vatican. America is being backed up by the World Council of Churches and the global banking system. So America will be the one to implement the Revelation chapter 13. Today, America is a freedom-loving country. Eventually, if you read Revelation 13, eventually America will change face to become a global dictator. And that thing, inyo nakarumabatsagan sa kay Trump, that America is beginning to command and insist himself to the world. And Ellen G. White is correct. When Protestant America, the first mortal enemy of Europe, Catholic Europe and Protestant America, Ellen G. White says, time will come, America will clasp hands with Catholicism. And today, America has an ambassador to the Vatican, and the Vatican has a papal nuncio to America. That's why the Pope is presiding to the combined Congress of America, joint Congress, the upper house and the lower house. Why Pope? Why Pope to preside in the American Joint Congress? Correct si Mrs. White. This woman only grade 3. This woman wrote so many books. One of that is entitled Education. The book Education, kung nabasa nyo, has wordings that only professors can write. That is Ellen G. White who wrote the book. Later on, this book was copied by a doctor of education. And the education director, minister of Germany. Doctor of Education and Education Director of Germany. Kinopya niya ang book na Education from cover to cover and put his name as the author, na Bulgar. Sa nabulgar, wala naman mag-akusa ng General Conference, basta aminon lang nga kinupya niya. Naulawan pa ang Doctor of Education nga kinupya niya ang librong gisulat sa grade 3 lang. And that is Ellen G. White. Okay, that is just an introduction. We will not linger on this issue because this is not our topic. And let's go. And the Advent movement prophesied by 1844. This great prophecy was fulfilled literally in the exact place in the wilderness or America at the exact time in 1844. That's it. And so, wala na iban nga iglesia nga gin-restore sa Daniel 8:14. The temple shall be restored. Lumuwas sa Seventh-day Adventist Church. This is the restoration of the temple that was destroyed in Jerusalem. And we have now an urgent message to the world. The global Advent movement from America down through back to Europe and to the Pacific Asian region and the whole global community up to the smallest island, up to the islands of the sea. Before namatay ang mag-asawa dito sa Sicugon Island, kinadtuan ko sila in interview ko because of the amazing experience. Northern Iloilo is a fruit basket of West Visayan Conference in soul winning. I was there many years ago as a district pastor. I had in my supervision 35 churches in 6 municipalities, from the top of the mountains to the islands of the sea. Sa usa ka tuig kaupat ko maghigda sa St. Paul's Hospital. Kaya hindi kaya. Grabe.